Hi guys, welcome to Dance School Online straight from New York City. My name is Malaika. This is my 15-minute express low impact full body workout. Before we get started, you know what to do, right? Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell too, so you know when we drop new videos. Would be great if you leave us a comment, and please like the video and share it. And thank you so much for all the video that you're tagging us in. Let me know that you're doing the dance. Also, check out our channel for more classes: hip-hop, yoga, salsa, belly dance, Pilates, African dance, Afrobeats, and more. We'll start moving side to side, guys, okay? Make sure you squeeze your glutes here. You engage in your core, and we elongate our body, okay? Let's bring our legs up, not our legs up, our arms up. Here, overhead, reaching up. Nice. Beautiful, you guys. Okay, now I want you to go across. Keeping the core tight. Yes? Beautiful. A few more here. Good. Nice. Last two. Last one. Awesome. Okay, let's start with your squat. You want to make sure that your feet are right under our shoulders, okay? You're going to lower and come up. Guys, go as low as you can. And if you need to, maybe you want to hold into a chair or to a table or a wall, okay? You lower and you come up. And the weight is on the heels, okay? So if you want, you can even lift your toes off from the ground. Beautiful. Let's keep going here. Breathing. We're just starting. Yeah? Nice. A few more. Okay. What about we go up our toes when we come up? Go up your toes. Awesome. Yes. We'll do 10 of these. So we have 7 more to go. Yes. Really engaging the glutes and the back line of our legs. Yes. Awesome. Lifting. Yes. Beautiful, you guys. Again, we're getting stronger. Okay. I lost the count, but I think we're doing 2 more, right? Last one here. Beautiful. Now let's do only the lift, okay? We're lifting here. Lift and down. Lift, lower. Yes. Awesome. I love this exercise. This is really good for working the back of our legs, like I said, and the balance as well. Yes. Awesome, you guys. A few more. Good. All right. Last one here. Good. Let's open the legs a little wider than our shoulders. We're going to go side to side. Yes. Feel it on the outside of your legs and on the inside. Our hip flexors. Going low. And smiling, of course. Always smiling. Yes. Beautiful. Lowering. Woo! Breathing. All right. Go on the beat. The music always helps. Yes. Beautiful. Few more. All right. 2. Last one. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. Put the weight on that leg here. Making sure you're micro bending that knee. You're going to lift 10 times, squeezing the side of the leg. Okay? Beautiful. Keeping the core tight. We're still working our balance. Nice, you guys. 4 more. Yes? Last one. Okay, let's go back. Low. Nice. Again. Breathing. Yes. On the beat. Good. All right. 4 more. And 3. And 2. And 1. Lifting for 10, 9. Pulsing. 8. Awesome, you guys. Again. Keeping the core tight. Yes. And 3. And 2. And 1. Awesome, guys. Let's open our toes out this time. Imagine that you're holding a balloon, a water balloon, okay? You're going to lower and then come up, squeezing the glutes and the inner thighs, okay? We only do this one about 5 times, okay? Squeezing, keeping the back straight. Yes. Beautiful. Breathing in and out. Good. Let's go 2 more. Okay, can we go faster here? Yes, we can. Just 5 times. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome, you guys. Let's go down on our mat. Our nice, beautiful mat. We'll start by doing a plank, okay? So you'll go on your knees, placing your hands down. You want to make sure, guys, that your wrist is right under our shoulders, and you're finding your fingers wide open. So we're here. Bring your hips low. If you want to try, you can extend your knees, but it's really up to you here. Breathe. We'll hold this for a few more seconds. Feeling the core firing. I know, it's like, how come we're not moving and we're sweating and shaking? All right, a few more here. Woo! Beautiful, you guys. Now, can we bend those elbows? Bend the elbows, and can you lower super slow? Yes? Awesome. We are on our bellies. Let's work the back a little bit. We're going to rest your forehead on your hands or on the mat, whatever's comfortable for you. You're going to lift your legs, okay, together, squeezing the glutes. You're going to feel that in your back as well, okay? So you're going to lift and lower. Lift, lower. Awesome, you guys. We're working our low back, our glutes, the back of our legs as well. Nice. Let's keep going. All right. A few more here. Okay. Let's do 2 more. Awesome. Now let's lower the legs, pressing the pubic bone and the front of the feet down. We're going to lift the upper body, bringing the hands in, okay? So you're going to lift and bring in. Imagine that you're holding a towel, and then you're bringing that towel to your chest, okay? And here you want to elongate the neck, breathing as you lift, inhaling and exhaling as you lower. A few more here, you guys. Yes. Feel this back. Woo! Strong back, strong core. Last one. And low. Okay, you guys. Let's go into our back again. From here, you're going to roll down slowly all the way. Beautiful. Place your hands behind your head, behind your ears, okay? Remember that we don't want to pull the head. Your fingers are just here for support, okay? Everything comes from the core. So you're going to lift your shoulder blades off the mat and then lower. Beautiful. Again, inhaling and exhaling. Keep going. Inhaling, exhaling. Again, keep going. A few more here. Beautiful, you guys. Yes, we're getting stronger. We're in this together. Stronger and healthier body. Nice. We have a few minutes left, you guys. Keep going. Okay, one more. And let's go with our lower body here. So, bring your legs up and make sure that your lower back is on the mat. You're going to lower your legs down and bring it up. And guys, keep your lower abs engaged. If at any point during this exercise your lower back is coming up, it means you're going too low, okay? So listen to your body. Maybe today you're going higher or you're going lower than you did yesterday. That's fine. You want to stay safe. Breathe. Okay. We have a few more to go. Awesome, you guys. Okay. Now, let's bring those legs down. Can we do both together? Let's try this. Just 8 times. You're going to bring your upper body off the mat and lift your knees, lift your feet, and we'll go just for 8 together. 8, release. 7, release. 6, release. 5, make sure your elbow stays open. Shh. All right. Couple more. I think it's 2 more, right? Let's do 1 more, just for fun. What about another one? So we did 10. Awesome, you guys. Okay, let's come up. We'll do another set of planks. So in this plank, you guys, you're going to open your legs, your right leg out, and then bring it in. And do the same thing with the other side, okay? With the left leg. So here, bring it in, bring it out, and in. Out, in. Out, in. I know it's tough, you guys, but you got this. And if you need to, you can lower down and then come back. No problem, guys. We're in this together. Stay focused. Stay strong. Yes? Shh. Few more here. Whew. My core's burning. All right. Okay, guys. Lower your heel. Lower your knees. Sit on your heels. Breathe here. And we'll go for a side plank, okay? If you need to, bend your mat. Fold your mat over. Bend your knees. We're going to lift those hips. When you lift the hips, you guys, you want to make sure that you're not arching the back. The back stays straight and the core is engaged, all right? So let's lift. Whew. We'll hold it for a few seconds here. And make sure that you're not collapsing on your shoulder, okay? Really stretch and keep your neck elongated with the spine. Beautiful, you guys. We'll hold this for a few more seconds. Yes. Awesome. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Okay, let's go to the other side. All right. Place that elbow down. Your legs are together. Your hands are on top of your hips. And we lift. Beautiful. Again, you want to make sure that you're tucking the pelvis, right? Engaging the obliques, side of the abs. Lifting. Make sure your head is not dropping. We breathe. Good. Okay. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and release down. Awesome, you guys. Okay. So this is gonna be our last exercise for the abs. We're going to do a bicycle, okay? So bicycle, you're gonna bring your elbow to your opposite knee. Here we're going to keep our knees bent. If you want to try, you can extend the opposite leg, okay? So we reach and come back to center. Reach, come back to center. Beautiful. Reach, center. Make sure you breathe. You're controlling the movement. Yes. Beautiful, you guys. Okay, what about extending that leg? If you want, you can try. And if this is too much, guys, just take a break and come back with us. No problem. You can do this anytime you want and how many times you want. Yes. Awesome. Whew. I feel it. I'm sweating. I'm shaking. All right. Okay. All right. Release. Okay, guys. One more exercise from here. One of my favorite exercise, floor bridge. So make sure your feet are flat on the mat and lift your hips up. Lift and lower. Lift, squeezing the glutes when you're up. Yes. Awesome. Okay. Beautiful, guys. Last one, sit up and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Hug your knees in. And let's come up. Okay, guys, we did it. Take a minute to cool down. I thank you for joining me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification button. I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys for taking my class. Bye.